In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add refund policy pages and other legal pages to your Shopify store. Having clear legal pages like your refund policy is essential for building trust with customers and protecting your business. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen as we go. First, log into your Shopify admin and head to your main dashboard. This is the home area where you see your orders, products, and basic store information. From here, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings option. Go ahead and click on settings to open up the panel where you manage the behind the scenes details of your store. Inside settings, you'll see several sections. Find and click on the option labeled policies or legal, depending on how your dashboard is laid out. This is where Shopify keeps all of your important legal documents, such as your refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. Now, look for the field labeled Return and Refund Policy. If you're just starting out, this field is probably empty. You can type your own policy here, but a more efficient approach is to generate a draft using an AI tool and then customize it. Open a new tab and go to your preferred AI assistant. In the prompt, explain that you want a return and refund policy for a Shopify store and provide as much detail about your business as you can. For example, include how many days customers have to request a refund, whether you accept returns on sale items, who pays for return shipping, and any conditions for items to be eligible for a return. Also ask the AI to ask you follow-up questions so it can refine the policy and make it fit your exact needs. Once you're happy with the policy the AI generates, highlight the entire text and copy it. Then go back to your Shopify tab, return to the return and refund policy field, and paste the text into that empty box. Take a moment to read through it inside Shopify and manually adjust anything that doesn't match your local laws or your store's actual practices. When everything looks good, scroll down and click on Publish or Save. Shopify will now automatically turn this policy into a proper legal page and link it in the right places, such as your checkout and footer, depending on your theme settings. You can repeat the same process for other legal pages